Today we're taking a first look at a new bolt catch from Battle Arms Development. Hey guys, my name is Dave Tim. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Today we're taking a first look at the new investment cast enhanced bolt catch from Battle Arms Development. Now this bolt catch is a very nice little piece, and what's nice is they have come out with an enhanced version, but an investment cast version. They had a machine version before, but now with this investment cast version, street price is $14. So $14 for this small part can really go a long way in your next build or upgrading your current rifle. Now, why would you use an enhanced bolt catch like this versus a standard bolt catch? Well, number one, we do get a little bit larger paddle size. So if we compare the traditional paddle of the mil-spec type bolt catch versus the enhanced one, you can see that it is a little bit larger, giving us a little bit more control space. But we also see the catch portion on the enhanced version is easier to manipulate and a little bit larger as well. So instead of just a little peg that we'd see on the mil-spec version, now we have a nice lower paddle on the enhanced version. So again, street price, $14 for this investment cast version, and it's just a pretty well done small part. Like everything Battle Arms does, I've never known them to come out with something that is not good quality, but you can see here, we're just looking at it all around. It's just a well done, nice, enhanced little part. So the name fits. So I can tell you for $14 street price, I'm probably going to be upgrading all of my rifles with one of these, and I'm going to be including them in all of my lower parts kits, just because I think it's a nice upgrade to the standard, bolt catch that serves a purpose, but this just serves a better purpose. It does the job better, and it's not much more expensive. So $14. For more information, you can check out the Battle Arms Development webpage, which will put a link below, but this is available from all of the good retailers like our friends at Rainier Arms or your favorite online AR parts supplier, but I'd recommend getting it from Rainier because they're really good people, and these are available and on the market right now. So for more information, check out their webpage. Please follow us online and on our webpage. We'll put links in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.